Lost in Paradise, Phuket Travel Vlog. Welcome to Phuket. Ready for an unforgettable adventure? This tropical paradise promises stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and thrilling activities. Join us as we explore the hidden gems and iconic spots of this beautiful island. Buckle up for a journey filled with excitement, beauty, and unforgettable memories. Phuket, Thailand's largest island, is renowned for its crystal-clear waters and bustling markets. In this vlog, we'll dive into the island's rich culture, delicious cuisine, and thrilling activities. From sun-soaked beaches to vibrant nightlife, get ready to discover why Phuket is a dream destination for travelers. Our journey to Phuket began with a smooth flight, landing in the island's modern airport. The warm, tropical air greeted us as we stepped outside, signaling the start of our adventure. With our bags in tow, we couldn't wait to explore everything this beautiful island had to offer. First impressions of Phuket left us in awe. The island's natural beauty is breathtaking, with lush greenery and pristine beaches stretching as far as the eye can see. The vibrant colors, friendly locals, and lively atmosphere instantly made us feel welcome and excited for the days ahead. Our accommodation in Phuket was nothing short of spectacular. Nestled among palm trees and overlooking the turquoise sea, the resort offered luxurious rooms and excellent amenities. We took a quick tour, marveling at the infinity pool, spa services, and beach access, eager to start our island adventure. Our first culinary adventure in Phuket led us to a charming local restaurant where we indulged in a traditional Thai meal. The vibrant flavors of Tom Yum soup and Pad Thai were unforgettable, bursting with the perfect blend of spices, herbs, and fresh ingredients that captured the essence of Thai cuisine. We then headed to Patong Beach, where the crystal-clear waters and powdery white sands greeted us. The beach's lively atmosphere was infectious, with sunbathers, beach volleyball, and water sports enthusiasts all around. The serenity of the ocean combined with the vibrant beach life made it a perfect spot to unwind. Next, we explored the underwater wonders of Phuket by snorkeling and diving. The colorful coral reefs and diverse marine life were mesmerizing, offering a glimpse into the rich biodiversity of the Andaman Sea. It was an exhilarating experience to swim alongside schools of fish and spot the occasional sea turtle. A day trip to the Phi Phi Islands was an absolute highlight. The boat ride offered breathtaking views of the limestone cliffs and turquoise waters. We explored hidden coves, relaxed on pristine beaches, and even visited the famous Maya Bay, soaking in the natural beauty that surrounded us. The Phuket Weekend Market was a sensory overload in the best way possible. Stalls lined with colorful handicrafts, clothing, and souvenirs, combined with the aroma of street food wafting through the air, created an unforgettable experience. We sampled various local delicacies, each bite offering a new flavor adventure. Exploring the Phuket Weekend Market is a sensory delight. The vibrant atmosphere is alive with colorful stalls, aromatic spices, and the buzz of bartering locals. From handmade crafts to exotic fruits, every corner reveals a new treasure. It's an ideal spot to soak in local culture and find unique souvenirs. The street food in Phuket is a culinary adventure. Vendors line the streets, offering mouth-watering dishes like Pad Thai, satay skewers, and mango sticky rice. Each bite is an explosion of flavors, showcasing the richness of Thai cuisine. Sampling these delicacies is a must for any food lover. Phuket Old Town is a charming blend of history and culture. Walking through its streets, you'll encounter beautifully preserved Sino-Portuguese architecture, colorful murals, and quaint cafes. Each building tells a story, offering a glimpse into the island's past. It's a photographer's paradise and a history buff's dream. Wat Chalong Temple is a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of Phuket. The intricate designs and peaceful ambience make it a perfect spot for reflection. Visitors can admire the beautiful architecture, learn about Buddhist traditions, and even partake in a quiet moment of meditation. Bangla Road transforms at night into Phuket's liveliest party street. Neon lights, music, and laughter fill the air as bars and clubs come alive. It's a mix of entertainment and energy, offering everything from live music to dance clubs. It's the ultimate destination for those looking to experience Phuket's vibrant nightlife. Visiting the Elephant Sanctuary provides an ethical and heartwarming experience. You'll get to see these majestic creatures up close in a natural environment, learning about their care and conservation. Feeding and bathing the elephants offers a personal connection, making this an unforgettable and meaningful part of your Phuket adventure. Taking a Thai cooking class allows you to dive into the rich culinary traditions of Phuket. Under expert guidance, you'll learn to prepare iconic dishes like Pad Thai and Tom Yum Goong. This hands-on experience not only satisfies your taste buds but also equips you with skills to recreate these flavors at home. A visit to a popular beach club offers the perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. Launch by the shimmering waters, sip on tropical cocktails, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. With live music and picturesque views, it's an ideal spot to unwind and soak in Phuket's lively beach culture. Indulging in a traditional Thai massage is a must-do for ultimate relaxation. Skilled therapists use ancient techniques to relieve tension and rejuvenate your body. The serene ambience of the spa, coupled with the soothing aromas, ensures a blissful escape that leaves you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Capturing a Phuket sunset at Promthep Cape is a breathtaking experience. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors. The stunning panoramic views provide a perfect backdrop for reflection and photography, making it a magical end to your day in paradise. Exploring a local art gallery in Phuket provides a glimpse into the island's rich cultural heritage. The vibrant paintings and intricate sculptures reveal the creativity and traditions of Thai artists. Each piece tells a story, offering a deeper connection to the local community and its artistic expression. A traditional Thai dance show captivates with its graceful movements and colorful costumes. The rhythmic music and intricate choreography transport viewers to a world of cultural elegance. Experiencing this live performance enriches the appreciation of Thailand's rich artistic traditions and cultural depth. Riding a tuk-tuk through Phuket's bustling streets is an exhilarating way to see the city. The open-air vehicle allows for an up-close experience of the local sights, sounds, and smells. It's a fun, authentic way to immerse oneself in the vibrant atmosphere of Phuket. Visiting Monkey Hill is a delightful adventure for animal lovers. The playful monkeys that inhabit the area provide endless entertainment. Walking up the hill offers stunning views of Phuket town and the chance to observe these charming creatures in their natural habitat. The Phuket Aquarium offers an enchanting journey into the underwater world. With its diverse marine life and interactive exhibits, it's both educational and fascinating. Visitors can marvel at colorful fish, mesmerizing jellyfish, and other sea creatures, gaining a deeper appreciation for Phuket's rich marine biodiversity. Phuket's local shopping mall offers a blend of traditional and modern experiences. Wander through bustling aisles filled with Thai crafts, fashion boutiques, and international brands. Sample delicious snacks from food stalls while hunting for unique souvenirs. The vibrant atmosphere promises an exciting shopping adventure for every traveler. Kayaking through Phang Nje Bay is a must-do. Glide through emerald waters, exploring hidden caves and towering limestone casts. The serene surroundings and picturesque scenery make it a memorable experience. Capture breathtaking views and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of this pristine bay. Hiking to the Phi Phi viewpoint rewards adventurers with panoramic vistas. The challenging trek through lush greenery culminates in a breathtaking view of the Twin Bays. It's a perfect spot for photography and taking in the island's stunning landscape. A definite highlight for nature enthusiasts. Visiting Phuket's famous cooking street is a culinary delight. Stalls line the street, offering an array of mouth-watering dishes. From aromatic curries to freshly grilled seafood, the vibrant flavors and enticing aromas captivate your senses. It's an excellent way to experience authentic Thai cuisine. Kathu Waterfall is a hidden gem worth exploring. Nestled in the jungle, the cascading waters provide a refreshing escape from the heat. The tranquil surroundings and natural pools invite visitors to relax and unwind. It's a serene spot that showcases Phuket's lush, tropical beauty. Phuket's unique local dishes offer a tantalizing journey for your taste buds. Savor the rich flavors of khao soi, a coconut curry noodle soup, or indulge in the spicy delight of tom yum goong. Fresh seafood is abundant, with dishes like pla pao, a salt-crusted grilled fish, stealing the spotlight. A beach yoga session in Phuket provides the perfect blend of relaxation and rejuvenation. With the soothing sound of the waves and the warm sun on your skin, you'll find peace and tranquility. This serene experience helps you connect with nature while enhancing your physical and mental well-being. Discovering a lesser-known beach in Phuket is like finding a hidden treasure. Away from the crowds, these secluded spots offer pristine sands and crystal-clear waters. Here, you can enjoy a tranquil escape, basking in the natural beauty and serenity that makes Phuket truly special. Surfing at Kata Beach is an exhilarating adventure for both beginners and seasoned surfers. The beach's consistent waves and warm waters create an ideal environment for catching the perfect wave. With surf schools and rental shops nearby, it's easy to dive into this thrilling water sport. A visit to a local fishing village reveals the heart of Phuket's traditional way of life. Stroll through the village, observe the fishermen's daily routines, and taste freshly caught seafood. This authentic experience offers a glimpse into the island's rich cultural heritage and close-knit community. Watching a Muay Thai boxing match offers an exhilarating glimpse into Thailand's national sport. The energy is palpable as fighters showcase their skills in a blend of strength, strategy, and tradition. The atmosphere is electric, with enthusiastic crowds cheering on their favorite fighters, making it a truly unforgettable experience. As the day winds down, it's time to reflect on the highlights. From the vibrant street markets to the tranquil beaches, Phuket has something for everyone. Each adventure brings its own set of memories, making it hard to pick a favorite moment. The island's charm is undeniable. Sharing personal travel tips can make your journey smoother. Always carry sunscreen, stay hydrated, and be respectful of local customs. Renting a scooter can be a fun way to explore the island. For the best experiences, wake up early to beat the crowds and enjoy cooler temperatures. Don't forget to engage with us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your feedback helps us create better content and share more adventures with you. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest travel vlogs. Join our travel community and let's explore the world together. Phuket is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a relaxation enthusiast, there's something here for you. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. See you in the next vlog where more incredible destinations await. Don't miss a visit to the bustling Phuket night market, where vibrant stalls offer everything from handcrafted souvenirs to mouth-watering street food. The lively atmosphere, filled with the sounds of local music and the aroma of grilled delicacies, provides a sensory experience that captures the essence of Phuket's culture. The adventure continues with a thrilling ziplining experience through Phuket's lush rainforest. Glide from treetop to treetop, taking in breathtaking views of the island's natural beauty. This adrenaline-pumping activity is perfect for nature lovers and thrill seekers alike, offering an unforgettable way to see Phuket from above.